Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Ectum multiplicit populus sermone replebat gaudens et pareter factaque in facta canebat, venisse Aenean Troiano sanguine cretum, cui sepulchra viro dignetur jungere dido. Haec refers to Rumor, the divine being that personifies rumor. So this woman, or this divine being, then was relaying or was filling up the peoples with a multifold story, or with many stories, rejoicing. And she was equally singing fact and fiction, that Aeneas, born from Trojan blood, had come, to whom, as a husband, beautiful Dido deems herself to join, or deems to join herself. So, this section is describing how rumor is going about the cities and spreading the story about Dido and Aeneas having an affair. And the stories that rumor is spreading about Dido and Aeneas, they are facta atque in facta. And she's spreading it equally facta atque in facta. So she's spreading these stories both true and false. So for some stories that she tells, she's embellishing it, and some of them she's just telling it the true way that it is. So one of the stories that she is spreading is that Aeneas has come, the Trojan, and Dido wants or has deemed herself to join to him for a husband, that Dido has deemed him worthy to marry her. We've got some chiasmus here, A, B, B, A, Aenean cretum go together, and Troiano sanguine go together. Up here we have haec describing rumor, and we've got gaudens going with haec. We have she was filling up the peoples with a multifold story, an ablative here. And then down here we have a relative pronoun, cui, describing Aeneas. Se describes Dido. And I think that's all we need to discuss for these 4 lines.